Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Fidelity ATM Access. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of accessing your Fidelity account at an ATM step by step. First, ensure you have a Fidelity debit card or ATM card, as this is required to access your account at an ATM. If you do not have a card, you can request one by logging into your Fidelity account online or by contacting Fidelity customer service. To start, locate a participating ATM in the Fidelity network, which includes ATMs at Fidelity investment centers, as well as those in the Visa or Plus networks. You can find a list of participating ATMs on the Fidelity website or by using the Fidelity mobile app. Once you have located an ATM, insert your card and enter your PIN. If you have forgotten your PIN, you can reset it by contacting Fidelity customer service. Select the type of transaction you would like to perform, such as a withdrawal or balance inquiry. When making a withdrawal, choose the account you would like to withdraw from and enter the amount. Be aware of any daily withdrawal limits and fees associated with using an out-of-network ATM. To check your account balance, select the Balance Inquiry option and choose the account you would like to view. You can also use the ATM to transfer funds between accounts or to pay bills. For added security, always cover the keypad when entering your PIN and never share your card or PIN with anyone. Also, be aware of your surroundings when using an ATM and avoid using it in isolated areas. In addition to using an ATM, you can also manage your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app. This allows you to view your account balances, transfer funds, and pay bills from anywhere. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily access your Fidelity account at an ATM and manage your finances on the go. Remember to always prioritize security and be mindful of any fees associated with using an out-of-network ATM.